Citing translated or edited works, Chicago style made easy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing, focusing on the Chicago citation style. One of the common challenges many face is how to cite translated or edited works. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. Academic integrity is the cornerstone of research. When using translated or edited works, it's essential to give credit not only to the original author but also to the translator or editor. By doing so, you acknowledge the efforts of the translator or editor. Provide a clear path for readers to trace your sources. Ensure you're abiding by academic standards and avoiding plagiarism. In Chicago style, when you're citing a translated work, your citation needs to show both the original author and the translator. Here's the format: original author's last name, first name, title of the work, translated by translator's first name, last name, publication city, publisher, year of publication. Example: Murakami, Haruki, Norwegian Wood. Translated by J. Rubin, New York, Vintage International, 2000. When citing an edited work, you are primarily giving credit to the editor while still acknowledging the original author. Here's the format: original author's last name, first name, title of the work, edited by editor's first name, last name, publication city, publisher, year of publication. Example: Fitzgerald, F. Scott, The Great Gatsby, edited by Matthew J. Brucoli, New York, Scribner, 1992. 1. Forgetting the translator-editor. Always double-check if the work has a translator or editor and ensure they're mentioned in your citation. 2. Mixing up order. Remember, the original author is always first, followed by the title and then the translator, editor. 3. Unclear abbreviation. If you see trans, it stands for translated by, and ed stands for edited by. Always be clear in your citations. Citing correctly is more than just a rule. It's about respecting the intellectual efforts of others. We hope this guide on citing translated or edited works in the Chicago style has been illuminating. Remember, every little detail matters in academic writing. Happy citing, and until next time, keep learning.